Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to add a friend or send the friend request on this console. First we need to open the profile menu on our console, and to do it, find the profile icon of the profile you want to use or add your friend to. As you can see, I have multiple profiles, but I want to use this one, so find the icon you want to use, tap on it, it will open the profile page, and here you have the add friend option. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it you will see this menu, and here we have search with friend code, search for users you played with, and search for local users. Basically, search with friend code allows you to enter the friend code. Every console has one, or every profile has one, and you can tap on this option, enter the friend code from your friend, and then they will receive the friend invite. And once they accept it, you will have one more friend on your list. Then we have search for users you played with. This option allows you to send the request to the people with which you played. So if you played some multiplayer game, they will be here on the list, and you can add them as a friend if you want to. And the search for local users allows you to basically send a friend request to people nearby you. I believe that's how it works. Basically, if you have somebody nearby you and they press the same symbol, it should detect your or the other friend with the same symbol, and then you can tap on it to send the request to them, and once they accept it, of course, they will appear on your friend list. Also, you have the list of outgoing friend requests, so you can check if the request was accepted or not, and that's about it. So that's how you add a friend on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.